Alright, so back at it again. This video, we're gonna be talking about the right blower for you with the spring season already coming up. A lot of guys are gonna be new to the game, and you might not know exactly what you need for the proper jobs. So I know when I first started, I started with that little Husqvarna right there, and by the end of the season, I needed a bigger blower. I was going through it. It just wasn't cutting. So on this video, as it says, the right blower. Let's get right into it. With which blower might be necessary once again. So here's the Husqvarna right here, which is the 150 BT. Now this is a real starter blower right here. I couldn't even tell you if they still have them on the shelf. This thing is very small. Now, for me, when I first started, it was okay because I didn't know no better. But with this Husqvarna right here, I would say this blower right here is really like a blower that's made for blowing out like flower beds and stuff to where the mulch doesn't go flying like crazy. You can still hit your sidewalks, but I'll say this is really for your cookie cutter properties, your inner city properties, real small. You wouldn't need no overkill for real. This Husqvarna would get you in there. It's very light, and the thing is started up every single season. It's the blower I started with 5 years now. So I'm going by, I believe, what is the heaviest. Well, the lightest to the heaviest. I'm starting off with the gas. We'll work our way over to the battery. This right here is the Cenex. This Cenex blower is a little different and it's unique. So say if you're a guy who, maybe you're a homeowner, or maybe you just got started, you got a gas mower, you got a battery trimmer maybe, and you don't want to buy mixed gas all the time. Well, this Cenex backpack blower right here lets you put regular straight gas into it. That little orange nozzle in the back, you put just a little bit of oil in there, that's it. But it takes straight gas. You don't have to worry about mixing nothing. So even if you're the homeowner, you just got your gas push more, got your gas can out there, you could drop straight gas in here, blow off stuff. Now here's where you're going to get up until the commercial to me. Now you can do the commercial with the straight gas I just showed you. But this right here is the RedMax 8550. The other two blowers I showed you are less than 400. This right here is when you're going to get up to your 600 or better range. The 8550 right here was when I understood what you need a blower for leaf jobs for. Those other two previous I showed you, you could do leaf jobs. But this RedMax right here, you feel confident doing a leaf job. And then you'll figure out also why you need to be charging the right price for the leaf job, because this blower wasn't cheap at all. When I bought this blower right here, I think it was $520. It was over 500 bucks. I remember that. It was over 500 bucks when I first bought it. Now this 8560, easily do commercial. Easily knock out a leaf job. But when I purchased this blower right here, I know for a fact this one was around $650 when I got it. You see, I even tried to scratch my name in right there on that one, because that one I would hate to get this thing stolen. I don't have an equipment defender on my truck yet, on my trailer. I suggest with any of these blowers right here, you're gonna have it on the trailer, get something to lock it up. You don't want to get a blower stolen that's $400 or $500, 600 bucks. RedMax has one now that's 800 bucks. You don't want to get that blower stolen. These things are not easy to replace. This is what I built over years, just putting it back into the business. This 8560, yeah, definitely could handle any commercial. You can blow off long sideways, no problem, and you can do it from a distance. Now let's go over to the battery blowers. This blower right here I kept with me about 80% of the season this year. I had the RedMax with me. I didn't use it a lot. This blower right here from Cenex was able to handle all of my properties, whether it was commercial or whether it was some of my residentials. What's funny is about this little blower right here with this 8 amp. I have an 8 amp battery. It comes with a 6 amp, I believe, or 4 amp. It comes with a 4 amp. That's an 8 amp I got on there. What's funny is about this Cenex blower right here is it blows probably better than that Husqvarna blower, and it also blows better, I believe, than the 4-gallon backpack blower. Know it sounds crazy? You wouldn't understand until you use it. I believe this Cenex blower is around $359. You gotta buy a battery. Now, this one right here, commercial Kress. Yes, you can do leaf jobs with it. I've done leaf jobs with it. I don't think I have too many videos up on the YouTube where I've done leaf jobs with it. Maybe a couple. But if you go to my Instagram, you will see I've done quite a bit of leaf jobs with this. Some nice size leaf jobs. But the thing is with this Kress, you have to have the battery for it. To get into their battery system, you're going to be paying a little money. That battery right there that's on the back, that's a $1,400 battery. Everybody can afford to get it. Shout out to Kress for sending it out to me. Let me run it. I probably would have been waiting if they wouldn't have sent it out. I will not lie. But this it can handle commercial leaf jobs. It really can. I'm gonna cut it on right here, and it has different levels to it. It's on level 1. I usually never go over level 2, and that says a lot. You could easily be able to do yards in the summertime and blow them off with that Kress right there. You wouldn't have to worry about nothing with the battery. So this video right here, basically I wanted to give you an idea of what type of battery you want to do, what type of blower you need. These right here on the end, these RedMax, full commercial. This 150 Husqvarna, you're just starting out. You don't know no better, but it'll get the job done. The 4-gallon Cenex, it'll get the job done also. It'll get you in the game. It'll get you through a summer. The handheld Cenex, I love it. It's quick. You can get to it real fast. It does just as good as some of my gas ones. I didn't run my gas ones most of this year. That Kress on the end, I will be getting out. You'll see it this year. Definitely does commercial work. When it says Kress commercial battery, it can do commercial work. So, just want to give you guys an idea for anybody new or anybody just out there, man.